Today I'm going to show you how to enable Firefox Relay and create your first email alias in just a few simple steps. Firefox Relay is a really useful privacy tool that helps protect your real email address by generating masked aliases you can use instead of giving out your personal inbox. That means less spam, better privacy, and more control over who gets access to your email. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Firefox Relay website. Once the page loads, sign in using your Mozilla account. If you already have a Mozilla account, just enter your details and continue. If you do not have one yet, you'll need to create one first so you can use Firefox Relay. After signing in, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click that to choose your plan. Firefox Relay usually gives you a free option as well as a premium option, so pick the one that works best for you. If you're just testing it out, the free plan is a great place to start. Once your plan is selected and your account is set up, you'll be taken to the main Relay dashboard. From there, look for the option that says Generate New Mask Plus. Click it, and Firefox Relay will instantly create your first alias. This alias is what you'll use when signing up for websites, newsletters, or online accounts instead of your real email address. You can copy it and paste it wherever you need to protect your inbox. From this point on, any messages sent to that alias can be forwarded to your real email address, depending on your Relay settings. That makes it much easier to manage spam, block unwanted senders, and keep your personal email private. You can also generate more aliases later whenever you need a new one for different websites. So, to recap, you go to the Firefox Relay website, sign in with your Mozilla account, click Get Started to choose your plan, and then click Generate New Mask Plus to make your first alias. It's a simple setup, but it can make a huge difference for your online privacy. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.